Hi dear friends, welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. Today we're going to be making these beautiful earrings. I got these beads from the Potomac Beads company and we are going to be working with some of the materials they sent me. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to decide how many leaves we want to put. We're going to pass the ball pin through the leaf and make sure it's facing on the correct way. You don't want any spacing in between the leaf and the wire. We're going to align them to see how do you want them in your earring, what is going to be the length. You can put as many leaves as you want to. For my earrings, it's going to be only 3 leaves. We are going to go ahead and cut the wire. You got to keep in mind that you have to still make a loop. We are going to match the other leaf. We want the exact same length. You can also get the piece that you cut from the previous wire and you can just match it and you can cut it that way. So that will be the first step. We are going to go ahead and make the loops. We are going to bring the wire towards us and then rotate the pliers and continue until your wire touch the wire. We are going to put the pliers at the end where our loop is closing and we are going to rotate. Then we're just going to close it and arrange it until we like it. We're gonna repeat on the second wire. Rotate your pliers and continue until you finish your loop. Next, we're going to get a ball pin and a pearl, and we are going to put the pearl through the ball pin, and we are going to bring the wire all the way to the front. We are going to fix it the way we like it. So right now, you can use anything round that you have. It can be a pencil. I'm going to use the back of my pliers, and we are just going to push it all the way down. And arrange it the way you like it. And you should have your earring hook. We are just going to hammer it to make it stronger. And you don't have to do this step if you don't want to. We are going to pinch the bottom of the wire. I don't have the exact color for this wire, so I would recommend for you to buy the same color. I'm going to bend my wire like that. I'm going to put my wire right here and I'm going to bend it at right here. Same thing. So this is what we should have. So now we are going to open it up a little bit. We are going to hold this right where the wires are crossing, and we are going to get that as well. And we are going to do the same right here. So this is what we want for now. So we're going to use our block. And we are going to hammer this to make it straight and also to make it strong and thicker. So this is what you should have. So right now we are going to bend them on this side. So we are going to cut I will say it's like 1 centimeter, a little bit less. Same right here. I think that one I did less, so it's having the same. We are going to put a nose pliers and rotate until you get a loop. Okay, and we're gonna repeat with this one. The same thing. This is what you should have. We are going to close them completely. And we are going to set them on top of each other. So we're just gonna push them. If you want to, you can wire wrap this area. We are going to put our leaves. Last thing we're going to do is to add the earring hook. And for this, we're going to have to open it a little bit because I was not planning to have that thick wire. We are going to grab this and just slide it in. Be careful so you don't damage the pearl. If you need to open it more until you get it completely in. There you have it. I'm very happy with the result. I hope you like this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to visit thepotomacbead.com/ideas for more ideas. The materials are going to be available at thepotomacbeads.com. Until next time, thank you.